Welcome back to another video. If you're new, hello, my name is Ashali. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating this look. If you guys have requested for me to do this look, I did on my curly hair routine a video. Here it is. So as you can see, I have one eye done. I wanted to speed up the process. I did my brows and I used the Morphe brow pencil and I used the P. Louise base. So for today's palette, I'm going to be taking the Daisy Marquez BH Cosmetic palette. So I'm going to be taking this red right here, which is called Karma. So I'm going to be taking the red on this fluffy brush right here, which looks like this. So I'm applying and diffusing everything out as well, and I'm going to be doing this step till I build it to the color I want it to. When you are applying your shade, you want to go directly into your crease. Once you apply that, you're going to diffuse it with no more product. And I like to use tapping motions very lightly, not too much blending. Okay, that's it. So for our next shade, I'm going to be taking the 39A palette from Morphe. I'm only going to be taking one shade from this palette, and all I'm doing is applying just a bit with tapping motion right where we applied the red, which is in our crease. So to cut our crease, I'm going to be taking the P. Louise base with the P. Louise flat brush. So now to apply our colors inside our cut crease, I'm going to be taking Blood Sugar palette, and I'm only going to be taking one shade, which is the white one. And I'm just going to be applying it right here. And you just have to keep packing white. So as you can see, I applied the white, and now I'm going to be blending the outer corner of my eyes. What I like to do is I like to usually stretch this side of it and just like blend. Pack it right there to intensify that color. Now taking a smaller precise brush, and I'm going to be taking the a red shade, and I'm going to be merging it with the white shade. Okay. The glitter, I'm going to be taking the Glit Your Life glitter glue and glitters. I'm going to be taking Chunky Red. When you're doing a thin line, you want to take the detailist, it's not even a word, a detailed brush, a very detailed brush. You know, I use the NYX glitter. I use this little brush, and I got this technique from Gold Vibes on Instagram. Like, she is dope when it comes to glitter. So first, I'm going to be doing a thin line into my crease. So the glitter I'm using is a mixture of different sizes of glitter. But right now I'm going to be taking a chunky glitter. As you can see, I applied like the big chunky glitters here and there. I just spread them, and then whatever a medium and fine glitter I had, I just like pressed it in. I'm going to be taking a glue, and all I'm doing is creating a wing liner with the glue and then just adding the glitter. So for my lashes, I use Vibes Essentials. I'll be leaving my code down below, or like right here. And you have me on Instagram, you know that I'll tag her on every picture, okay? So I'll be right back with my lashes, and we're gonna jump into a face. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Frankie Rose. Let me see if this is my foundation. Today I'm going to be taking the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection foundation in shade Oatmeal Blend. I haven't really gotten to try this foundation. The LA Pro Concealer. So to contour my face, I like to use the L'Oreal Infallible in shade 412. So I use a fluffy brush to blend. This is the Morphe M173, and usually when I apply my concealer under my eyes, I like to let it sit in for a little bit. It gives it time to settle into the skin when you blend it. You don't want to let it sit there for a minute, because then it's just going to be hard to blend. So whatever I use to contour, whatever extra product, and I like to press it and press it here. Before you set your under eyes, you want to make sure there is no creases under those eyes. I'm going to be trying a new product. I have not tried it yet. I just opened it like now. So this is the setting powder I'm going to be taking, which is the Revolution Banana Light Baking Powder. For those that have tried this powder, let me know down below and let me know how you like it. I'm going to be trying it like now, so I'm super excited. I'm always excited to try new things because, you know, you gotta hype me up in order for me to get the product. I'm going to be taking a brush and setting under my eyes, because I went to Ulta to get the Morphe powder, setting powder, because I've always used the Laura Mercier powder. I can't even talk. I've used the Kat Von D powder, but you know, they're a little pricey. So, and then this girl told me that the banana, the Revolution one, was really good. So we are giving it a test. I'm not gonna be setting near where I contour because I want to set it with a different setting powder. I've noticed that when I do this technique, because it's this fine, you know, contour color setting powder, you know, once you set it, flawless. So I'm gonna be taking the color Pop setting powder, and this is the shade Medium Deep. Usually I like to get the A Cosmetic brush, tap it in here. I'm going to take the Mario Badescu setting spray. This Couture Summer Haze. Even with this gloss I have, it looks super nice. But I'm not going to leave it like that, okay? I'm going to be adding a lip combo. Honestly, this lip combo right here is just always been what I've used. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so you get notified every time I upload a video, because why would you want to miss one of my videos? So I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.